Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coder Station again. In our previous video, I have shown you how you can execute your C programs in an online compiler. For that demonstration, we had used the programiz online compiler. Even today, I'm going to show you how you can execute your programs with an online compiler. But for this video, we are going to use the compiler which is provided by w3schools. So let's get started. Okay, now here we are on our browser. Now in the search box just type w3schools online C compiler. Here they have provided a list of all the compilers which is provided by w3schools. Please click on the first link which states C online compiler by w3schools. After you have opened the website, just click on try it yourself. So here's how your online C compiler provided by w3schools look like. Okay, so here we have our code editor. The white part is our code editor. Here we write our codes, our C programs. And on the right hand side we have the output displayed as hello world. This is the output for this code, which states we have to print the hello world words on the output terminal. We call this black screen as an output terminal. So first I'm going to change this words. I'm writing here welcome to Coder Station. Now by clicking on this run button, we will execute our code and the output of this code will be displayed in our output terminal. So here is our output, which is welcome to Coder Station. These are the words which I have written in my printf statement and these are displayed on our output terminal. So here I have shown you how you can execute your C programs in w3schools online compiler. We end our video here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this C programming web series. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.